front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Display. Now scroll again to tap on Motion Smoothness. Scroll all the way down and tap on one of those options to apply the best one for you, Adaptive or Standard. When you're ready to save your changes, hit Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, screen refresh rate of my Samsung has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!